An inpatient feeding chart tracks nutrition and hydration, prevents malnutrition, aids in medication timing, and enhances care coordination. It supports faster recovery and better patient outcomes, especially for those needing critical or long-term care. To chart an inpatient feeding chart, navigate to the clinical module and select the inpatient panel. As shown, in the new window that opens, a list of admitted patients will be displayed. Select the patient you wish to access. If the list is extensive, you can use the search bar to easily find and select the patient, and click on the Actions button and select Inpatient. From the menu list, choose Inpatient Feeding Chart. In the next window, enter notes to document additional observations, special instructions, or any issues related to the patient's feeding and hydration. Input the prescribing officer, who is responsible for specifying the patient's nutritional and fluid intake requirements, including any dietary restrictions, supplements, or specific feeding instructions. Record the designated nurse, who monitors and records the patient's actual intake on the chart, ensuring adherence to prescribed requirements, identifying any deviations, and reporting issues like poor intake or tolerance to the prescribing officer. Then click the plus button to save. Charting on an inpatient feeding chart ensures proper nutrition, hydration, care consistency, and timely adjustments, supporting safe recovery. To chart items, select the inpatient feeding chart from the View window and then click on Chart Items. In the subsequent window, fill in the required details. Input the exact date and time when the inpatient feeding is being recorded, which helps keep track of when each feed or fluid intake is given for precise monitoring over time. Enter the type of feed or fluid given, specifying what the patient is receiving, whether it's nourishment, hydration, or supplements. Enter the exact amount in milliliters or milligrams, as accurate quantities are essential to meet the prescribed nutritional and hydration needs. Input the mode of feeding to show how the patient received the feed, ensuring the method aligns with the medical care plan. Add any relevant observations or notes, which are key for documenting how the patient responded, any issues encountered, or additional needs. Lastly, check the total calories to ensure the patient's dietary requirements are met, as monitoring total intake supports nutritional balance and recovery. Then finally click the plus button to save. To view the inpatient feeding report, close the window, and in the subsequent window, click on Generate Report. In the report window, you can share the report via email, download it in different formats, or print directly from your browser.